Hey, morning. How's everybody doing? Little morning beat, right? A lot of stuff going on here. You got Chevron's in the news here. Cut a deal with this Hess company. There's going to be a deal there. Union Pacific and Northrop are getting together on talks as well. Um, Netflix reported it's lower. Um, right now, it's only 1%, but we're going to keep an eye on that. Um, some home builders just came out here a few minutes ago, and they were maybe the bright side of the road here this morning. Um, just punched in home, didn't I? ITB. All right. Popped up a little bit here. Okay. So some positive home. Keep an eye on those. Possibly they're not good. I mean, they're still 2 month up, but they've been giving it up pretty good. Okay. All right. So futures expando to the heavens. All right. 628.74 right now. We did hit 629.80 on the overnight, so expansion to the upside continues. Okay. We'll wait and see until we see some kind of nice shooter come up and then come back down, or get an inside bar on something. We do have a month coming. We do have a month coming in not too long. Not too long. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 days. 9 days left after today. All right. So few. There's your spies. And there's your Q's right there with them, right? Okay. And guess what? Old Stinky Pete, Sneaky Pete, just doesn't want to go. All right, so 445.60 right now. 445.60. Yesterday's highs we got through 445, about 60-ish. All right, so we're $1 lower right now on your diamonds. Just can't seem to get the band playing the same song at the same time. Okay, 100 years. All right. Diamonds. All right. So there's your diamonds. We're going to go through some quick names here. NVIDIA, I think you're just staged for war between 173 and 176. We haven't hit 176 yet. We did get up to 174.16. Okay, and then we ran back into this 173 hole, and we've been sitting there now. Okay, and here we is, still sitting here. All right, so if there's going to be a battle, it's going to be somewhere in here, a little Gettysburg action. All right, we'll see. We'll see if they still got enough troops to get take one side or the other out, because I think that's the way this is going to go down. And we think we know who can win. All right, but it's very chop here right now, but I will keep watching that closely. All right, that one. Keep a look at. XLI is on the move here this morning because of Triple M. I was talking about Triple M yesterday. All right, I'm not in Triple M. I wish I was in Triple M. All right, but XLI already had the nice move yesterday. Now you're getting another bump up today, 152.24. Okay, Triple M just blows out everything. Okay, got up to 165.77 now on the overnight. So we're expanding on this month big time. All right, we're coming back up into this area. We're going to have a gapper here. Your month's going to expand to here, and then you're going to get your bump up here around 162 on your day upper. All right, Triple M. We'll see how it acts. That's a lot already. It's already getting a lot. All right, so 59. It's already up $4 before it even, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see. We'll see what Triple M wants to do. Looks very, very good though this morning. There, okay. I talked about the Northrop NOC. They are in a deal. Northrop are trying to get in a deal with Union Pacific. All right, so there's 520 right now on your Northrop, pretty much unchanged. And then you got UNP. All right, 228, just slightly higher there, okay? Again, what am I watching? I'm watching the banks very closely, okay? This is the third day now, so since some of these earnings went off, now JP Morgan couldn't get the job done yesterday, and now it's got another opportunity today to get up through 290.90. It is not going there right now, my friend. It is still stuck inside there. All right, Bank of America. All right, it's usually that third day is when the truth starts to show. BAC, Bank of America. There you go. I had the 2. This thing's holding up pretty good. All right, where are you right now? 47, not unchanged. So right now, bank's not showing us anything. Pretty quiet. I want to mention one that sucks, but just get it in your head, maybe, because this CRM Salesforce, this thing has really been punished, and it's got this outside nasty 3. So just making you aware of it, that it's down here and it's probably going to come in lower. I like this company, but I think it will definitely. It needs time. CRWV on the weave. This thing's been bottoming out for us. We're trying to find a bottom on it, but guess what? This is a lesson. When they're going down, guess what? They're always going to go a little bit lower. Remember that. All right, you're getting in. Don't get in too early. It's like going to a party. You show up too early. You're setting up tables and chairs. All right, you got to show up when everybody's got a little buzz on, and then you got a little notch on them. You know what I'm saying? CRWV. All right, Chi-Town style. All right, so CRWV. Again, making us aware of this one here. Another one, Goldman Sachs in that mode. It's not advancing this morning. It had a shooter day down, okay? And now that could go into force, okay, at 705.34. Right now, she's trading at 707.50, so she's inside right now. Keep an eye on Goldman Sachs. That thing could come to fruition and start getting shooter back down from the day, all right? I'm not going to talk too much more about that. All right. Like I said, Sarepta. Oh, my lordy. Anybody. So they had a death. This thing was yesterday. We were talking about this, right? We had the day gapper up. You got to see the news. I mean, this. So they lost a patient overnight. And Sarepta closed at 21.97. It's trading back down to $16.45, coming back down. All right, 3 days. And maybe in this one, maybe wait 6. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. You're probably going to need 6. All right, Oscar got knocked out yesterday. UBS came out and said its stock's only worth $11. All right, so created some volatility here. So now she's stuck at $14 here right now. All right, so I was looking at it overnight. I'm like, okay, well, if they're that bad, then they should start going to wherever they said they said $11. So if it doesn't start heading for $11 anytime soon, then probably that Oscar's going to firm back up. I kind of like that stock. All right, so that one came out of kind of nowhere yesterday. So keep your eyes on stuff like that. Pepsi, see if it follows through from yesterday. I don't know about the staples. I don't know anything about the diamonds. All I know is that the XLKs and the SMHs keep going higher. All right, energy can't get it going. Chevron cut a deal today. Maybe you can get a little move from there. But until the diamonds get moving, we're not going to get this market. I mean, we're going to get the SPYs and the Qs as much as you want. But these guys are going to be left behind, and that's going to create a problem at some point. All right, so I'm going to leave it there. I'll see you at lunch. Trade smart. Be good. And that's that.